this series of special tools is mainly constructed from number 45 steel or chrome vanadium steel. It has numerous advantages, such as high rigidity, broad application range, and a wide choice of surface treatment methods, just to name a few. Dean Safety Tools produces a comprehensive range of nano-alloy non-magnetic tools, as well as a huge variety of steel special tools and non-sparking tools, which are made from aluminum bronze, beryllium bronze, and copper alloys. Please enjoy the ultimate degree of safety for your work environment.